Hello everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing the chicken burrito bowl from Fuel Your Body. Now this one, it looks amazing. We got chicken, beans, tomatoes, and some rice, and some seasoning on there, cilantro. Smells amazing. Now, with this bowl, we're looking at 474 calories, 56 grams of protein, 44 carb, and 8 fat. The ingredients are chicken, brown rice, black beans, avocado, lime, chives, garlic, tomato, olive oil, and seasoning. May contain nuts, gluten-free, and dairy-free. So I heated this up for about 1:30, and it looks great. I love the quality of their chicken, so I'm really excited to have a burrito chicken bowl now. And burrito bowls are a personal favorite of mine, so I'm excited to try this one out. Black beans are great, adds a little extra protein texture to it. The seasoning on this is amazing. As always, everything's seasoned to perfection. It's got a really great taste. And the texture, really great texture. Rice, beans, and chicken. Cannot beat that. So, the chicken burrito bowl, I'm going to give a 8.5 out of 10. It's got great seasoned chicken breast, doesn't feel dry or anything. The texture of the chicken, rice, and beans are all amazing. The rice really well cooked. Beans are a nice addition to anything. Like, I'm personally a big fan of beans, so this is black beans, really great. And yeah, it's seasoned amazingly. Like, this is better than a burrito bowl that you get at a restaurant, in my opinion. And it's got 56 grams of protein, so you cannot complain about that. You can check out Fuel Your Body at www.eatfyb.ca, as well as on Instagram at eatfyb. You can order one-time meals or order a meal plan off of there. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out Fuel Your Body, as well as hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.